How to fix this site can be reached in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if you are encountering the problem that says this site can be reached in Android in your Chrome browser. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your browser. After that, navigate to top right corner and tap on three dot icon. A menu bar will pop up. From there, tap on Settings. Now scroll down a bit and then tap on Privacy and Security. Here, tap on the first option, that is Delete Browsing Data. Here you have to choose the first option, that is Browsing History. To do that, you have to tap on the checkbox. Scroll down a bit and then repeat the same for cached images and files. After that, tap on Delete Data and then tap on Delete. Now you have to wait until this data gets cleared. Once you're done with that, hit back and check if your problem is solved or not. If still not, then the second solution will be again tap on three dot icon, then tap on Settings. Again tap on Privacy and Security and scroll down a bit and then tap on Use Secure DNS. Here, select the second option, that is Choose Another Provider. Then tap on this drop down that says Custom. Here tap on Open DNS. Once you're done with that, again go back and reload the site again. If you encounter the same problem, then you have to get to your device network. For that, open up Settings and then tap on Network and Internet. Here, tap on Mobile Network. Now, you have to choose your service provider. After that, scroll down a bit and make sure the toggle that says Automatically Select Network is turned on, and then your device will select the network automatically. After that, hit back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If this solution still doesn't help you, then the last option will be to use VPN. You can install any VPN from Google Play Store. The most common one is TurboVPN. Open a Play Store, tap on the search icon and then search for TurboVPN. Install this VPN in your device. After that, connect to a different region. And this will help you to fix the problem. This site can be reached in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.